Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bank of America to Gemini for crypto deposits, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect your Bank of America account to Gemini for crypto deposits, start by opening the Gemini app on your device. Log in to your Gemini account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the funding section of the app. Select the option to add a bank account. You will see a list of available banks. Scroll down or use the search bar to find Bank of America. Select Bank of America from the list. You may be prompted to log in to your Bank of America account for verification. Follow the instructions to authenticate your Bank of America account. Once verified, you might need to enter your Bank of America account details manually. Provide the required information, including your account number and routing number. Review all entered information for accuracy. After confirming everything is correct, submit your Bank of America account information. Gemini will initiate a test transaction to verify your account. Check your Bank of America account for a small deposit from Gemini. Once you see the deposit, return to the Gemini app. Input the exact amount of the test deposit for verification. After confirming the amount, your Bank of America account will be successfully linked to Gemini. Now you can proceed to make crypto deposits using your Bank of America account. Make sure to allow some time for the setup to process before attempting any transactions. You are now ready to trade and invest in cryptocurrencies on Gemini. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.